Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria if you haven't watched one of my videos before, and if you have, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eye look that I'm wearing right now. It is using the Midas Cosmetics Flower Bomb palette. This palette right here. It is so pretty. And I just love the colors in this. So if you want to see how I got this look using this palette, then keep on watching. Before we hop into the tutorial though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me, and let's get into it. Now I'm mixing the shades Peony and Magnolia, and I'm going to apply those as a transition shade in my crease. Now that we've got that transition shade laid down, we're going to move on to the next step. Now I'm taking this shade right here, Dahlia. It's like a wine type of red. It's very deep. I'm going to use that in the outer portion of my eye. So kind of stamp it like this, and then kind of flick it inward. I like to take it at an angle like this instead of this because it kind of fans it out a little bit more into the shape I want. Stamp, 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 stamp. Stamp it, then flick it. So it should look like this right now. It looks kind of crazy. It'll come together in the end. Go back with the first blending brush we used and just kind of buff those two together. You can kind of go back and forth and add more of the Dahlia shade if you need to. And now I'm taking this shimmery peach shade called Blossom, and I'm gonna pop that all over my lid. Now I'm just gonna add a little wing. I'm gonna pop on some mascara and lashes. I'm using Lash Dreams in the style Lovely, and then I'm going to do my face makeup and I will be right back. Okay, so I have lashes on, and I realized I put on bottom lash mascara and I shouldn't have yet because I still have to finish my lower lash line. I'm taking Dahlia, the wine color, under my lower lash line. Right here on the outer portion. And then I'm taking that Peony Magnolia combination on the inner portion to blend everything out. I had lower lash mascara on, but I'm going to put some more on since I got eyeshadow on it. For the lips, I'm taking this ColourPop and Sailor Moon Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Usagi. And then I'm taking Kylie Cosmetics Wish Come True High Gloss on top of it. And this is the final look. Thank you all so much for watching this video and my take on a pink sunset eye. I think it's really pretty, it matches my hair, and I love pink, as you can probably tell. If you enjoyed this video and you made it this far and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!